Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can back up your WhatsApp messages, your WhatsApp chats, your WhatsApp images and videos that was sent to you or that you sent to others. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can restore them so that in case you lose your phone, you'll be able to restore or recover all your WhatsApp messages. So guys, there are so many reasons one would want to back up his WhatsApp chat and WhatsApp messages. So that in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, so make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, here's another reason why you would want to back up your WhatsApp messages and WhatsApp chat. One is that in case you uninstall or mistakenly uninstall your WhatsApp and then you want to install it back, while installing it back, they will give you an option to restore or recover your messages. If you don't back them up, you won't be able to restore or recover those messages and chats. So it's very important you know how to back up your WhatsApp chat, and the first step you have to take is to tap on your WhatsApp app to open it. Tap on it. So guys, here is our WhatsApp interface. The second step that you need to take is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You can see it there. Tap on it. Then you tap on settings. That's the last option. You tap on it. Then over here you tap on chats. You can see the chats option. You tap on it. Then guys, you have to scroll downwards. You're going to see where it is written chat backup. What you have to do now is to tap on it. Let me tap on it. So guys, over here there are a series of things that you have to set up to be able to back up your WhatsApp chat. The first of them is to choose a Google account that you're going to use to back up your WhatsApp messages and chat. So for you to do that, tap on where it is written Google account. You tap on it. Then you go ahead to choose within the Google accounts that you have within your phone. So I've chosen mine already. That's the one I chose. You can see it's authenticating it. So guys, once you're done with that, then you have to toggle on this effect here that is written backup using cellular data. Because we are using our mobile data, I have to turn it on. But if you're using Wi-Fi, there's no need to turn it on. So let me toggle it on because I'm using my phone's mobile data. Let me toggle it on. And also guys, if you want to back up your WhatsApp videos, toggle this on as well. So let me toggle it on because I need my WhatsApp videos that was sent to me or videos that I sent to others. So guys, the next thing that you need to do now is to tap on where it is written back to Google Drive. Tap on it. So guys, they're asking you when often do you want to back up your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive. You can do it daily, you can do it weekly, you can do it monthly, but I will choose the second option, which is only when I tap backup. So let me choose that, the second option. Then I choose my Google account that I've chosen before. Then so guys, the next step that you have to take now, this is where you do the magic. Then you tap on backup. You can see where it is written backup. You tap on it. So guys, you can see backing up messages. So guys, you can see now it's backing up our WhatsApp chats, our WhatsApp images, videos and the rest of them. As you can see now, it's going to take a little bit of time to get fully backed up. So guys, this is how you actually back up your messages. So in case you lose your phone or you want to reinstall WhatsApp, you can be able to restore and recover your messages. This is how you do it. So guys, I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notifications so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.